Hi everyone. In this video we see the questions which have been asked in ISRO 2015 exam in signals and system subject. First question is the spectrum of a signal x of t sampled at period t is given, t of s is given by. So it's a direct question. After sampling theorem we will get the equation x of f is equal to summation n goes to minus infinity to plus infinity x of f by f minus n into fs or n by ts. So option A is a correct answer. It's a straight away direct question. Next one, what is the 4-point DFT of signal 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So if we solve this problem directly, it will take so much of time and we cannot answer all the questions. We have to use shortcut. Let us see the shortcut, right? So x of n they have given. X of n is 1, 2, 3, 4, right? We know that whenever you want to find DFT, what is my capital? So it is first we solve that it is 4-point DFT. So we have to find k varies from 1 to 0 to 3 since it is a 4.0 DFT because n is equal to 4 and k goes from 0 to n minus 1, right? So we have to find a 4-point DFT. In 4-point DFT, what is my x of 0? We know that for any DFT, x of 0 is simply a summation of all the samples. So what is the summation of all the samples? It is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. It is equal to 10, right? Similarly, what is the center value? X of 2, that is given by sum of even minus sum of add. What is even number here? It is n0, n1, n2, n3. So first sum even. So 1, 0 and 2 are even. So 1 plus 3, 4 minus sum of odd samples. What are the odd samples? 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 are 2 plus 4, 6. What is the answer? Minus 2. So we found x of 0 and x of 2. And we know one more property of DFT, x of k is equal to x star of n minus k. So x of k is equal to 1 means x star of what is n point? N is equal to 4 point here, 1 minus 4, that is x star of 3. So x of 1 and x of 3 must be complex conjugate. So x of 0 is 10, x of 2 is minus 2. So out of these three, all our x of 0 is equal to 10, x of 2 is minus 2. X of 2 is minus 2 is available only at B and D. But 1 and 3 should be complex conjugate. That D will not satisfy. Here you see minus 2 plus 2j, minus 2 minus 2j. So option C is the right answer. Don't try to solve the problem by using all the formula and substitution. Solve like this. Then only you can save your time. Next one, a bandpass signal occupies the bandwidth of 390 kHz to 410 kHz. What minimum sampling frequency would you use from the option given below to avoid aliasing, right? Okay, this is about the bandpass sampling. So for bandpass sampling, we know that minimum sampling rate fs equal to 2fh by n, right? From the problem, what is my lowest frequency? 390 kilohertz. What is my highest? 410, right? So what is my n value? Is n is equal to integer of fh by bandwidth. So what is my integer? Fh is 410 by bandwidth is 20, because bandwidth is nothing but higher minus lower frequency. So 410 minus 390, 20. So if you divide by 410 by 320, what you get is the integer value of 20. So I got n is equal to 20. So what is my f? Sorry, I don't have space. F is equal to 2 into 410, right, divided by 20. that is equal to 41 kilohertz, right? So 41 kilohertz. What is my answer? 41 kilohertz. Option C is my right answer. So next one, a digital signal processing system described by the expression is dash. Whether it is stable FIR, stable IIR, unstable FIR, unstable IIR. To check whether it is FIR, IIR, IIR is a recursive system, FIR is non-recursive system. The given problem is recursive because the output depends on past output also. So it is recursive. Since it is recursive, surely it must be IIR. So it is not FIR. So option A and option C are cancelled. Only option B and D. Whether we have to check whether it is stable or unstable. To check whether a system is stable or unstable, let us find a transfer function and find the pole's location. Then from that we can find answer. To find transfer function, take the transform. So if you take the transform of y of n, y of, so first I bring all the things left hand side, y of n minus 2 y of n minus 1. So y of n minus 2 y of n minus 1 is equal to 2 x of n plus x of n minus 1. 2 x of n plus x of n minus 1. So now take z transform. Y of n, z transform is y of z minus 2, y of n minus 1, z inverse y of z equal to 2x of z plus z inverse x of z. The transform of x of n is x of z. The transform of x of n minus 1 is z inverse x of z. Right? Now simplify. So y of z is equal to 1 minus 2z inverse is equal to x of z into 2 plus z inverse. So y of z divided by x of z, that is equal to h of z, that is transfer function divided is equal to 2 plus z inverse 1 minus 2 z inverse. Right? So what's the pole here? Here pole is at 2. So we are having pole at 2. Poles are lying outside the unit circle. If poles are lying outside the unit circle, it is unstable system. So the given system is unstable and IIR. So option D is the right answer. And the next question is, the rectangular window has relative side lobe level of direct question. It is minus 13 dB. Next one, consider the discrete time signal x of n is equal to some value they have given. Y of n is equal to del of n minus 1, convolution of del of n minus 1 into x of n. So y of n is equal to convolution of x of n star del of n minus 1. X of n star x del of n minus 1 is equal to x of n minus 1. That is a formula. So option C is the right answer. It's a simple problem. Sorry, something wrong. Please forgive me. Okay, sorry for inconvenience. The next question is, consider a sequence x of n is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Downsample the sequence by 3 and then upsample by 2. What is the resulting sequence? So what they have given, first we write it. X of n is equal to, so x of n is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, 1, 3, 5, 7. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. First what we have to do, downsample by 3. So x of 3n we have to find. So downsample by 3 means you have to remove every 2 samples. So first I remove these 2, next I remove these 2, next I remove these 2. Right, that's what you are downsampling. So when I downsample, what I get is 2, 8, 3, 9. Next upsample by 2. So upsample by 2 means in between 2 samples I have to include 1 0 because it is upsampling by 2. 2 means you have to include 1 0. So sorry, what? So what is my y of n? In between every sample I have to include 1 0. So in between 2 and 8 I have to include 1 0. In between 8 and 3 I have to include 1 0. And I have to include another 0. So 2 0, 8 0, 3 0. Right? That's what my answer. So where is it? It is in option C. Right? So 3 0. Okay, I have 9 also. So here 9 I am having. So 3 0 and 9 comma 0. Right? So that's my option C, the right answer. That's all about this session. If you are having any doubt, please ask me in comment section. I will clarify all your doubts. Thank you.